It is officially winter camping season, and that is exactly what we're doing today. So let's go camping. There is nothing better than going away on a Friday night to go camping with your friends, and that's exactly what we're doing tonight. We're going to a local spot that's probably about 40 minutes from here. So we're going to go pack the car and get the trailer loaded up because the boys are going to go fishing and we're going to cook a stew tonight. And I'm just really excited. So let's go get the car packed. We are only packing lightly because we are only going away for one night. We've literally got all our food here in a bag. So we're going to put it into the center console fridge and then grab some drinks and hit the road. Now we might be packing light on food, but definitely not on beverages. You cannot go wrong with having a nice rum around the bonfire. So, oh, I just lost one. All right, that is the car fully packed. Majority of the stuff I keep for camping in my car permanently. So there's like the quickest pack up ever when you go camping in this car. But we're going to head into Gympie and go pick up the rest of our mates and also some more kayaks. So let's waste no more time and hit the road. We have made a quick detour to the local bottle shop. Bronson is in denial. He believes that we do not have enough alcohol. So anyway, that's where we're going quickly now. And then we're going to go pick up Jordan and Bella and then head to our spot that we're camping out. What did you get, buddy?
Stocked up.
Stocked up? What did you get?
Couple of bundies and a couple of the James Squire ginger beers.
Loaded up with kayaks. This guy, he's going to go.
The other one in the patrol, tucked up in there.
Alrighty, we have got the kayaks in there, as you can see. All the boys are going fishing this afternoon. Now it's just time to hit the road and head to our camping spot for the afternoon. Alrighty guys, we have made it to tonight's campsite. Look at the entrance. Or do you reckon we drive through that? Wheeling? There's a wheeling with the trailer on. How is this for a camp spot? Let me show you where we're camping. It's so pretty.
Who you think you waiting on? I take you to the early morning. Just when you're waking up, you feel like you're falling on.
We're gonna go get the kayaks off into the water and the boys are gonna go fishing and we're gonna cook a stew in the fire. So we better build a fire real quick, otherwise it's not gonna cook.
You know I got something for you. How could I ever ignore you? I WhatsApp like it's on you. You know I'ma get this.
Whilst the boys got their kayaks and fishing rods set up, we were put in charge of getting the fire going, and as you can see, this is probably not our best talent. Let's see if this actually will work. Oh, helps if I take this guy off. Taking him into the sand.
Put him on the rocks, Kenny.
Oh, that actually worked. The idea is we're staying back at camp while the boys go fishing because we're gonna get this fire behind us there cranking enough to put the cook pot in it, and we're gonna cook up like a bit of a feed for all the boys and ourselves. But right now the fire is not really like going that hard yet, but we're just sitting here having some drinks and waiting for it to get going. All right, so this is Bella and Jordan's new little campfire thing. I forget what they're called. What's this called again?
Camp oven?
Camp oven, that's it. We're putting it over here on the fire in a minute. Bella's got all the meat. Look at that. Oh, look at it. It looks so funny. She's pre-chopped it all up at home. She's done all the hard work for us. And now look, she's going to put it in the fire and cook it up. First time cooking this.
Yes.
Bella's first time on the stews.
Watched my dad make this when I was a little kicker.
We didn't bring a shovel, so as you could see before, we had to use some logs, but it seemed to work pretty well. Now we've got coals all over it. While we let the beef start to cook and brown off, it was time for a quick dip in the stream. The sun is almost completely down and the boys are nowhere to be seen. We've got the fire going and we've got coals on the pot now. But hopefully they're on their way back because otherwise they're going to be fishing in the dark. The meat is actually pretty cooked, I feel.
Yeah.
I wonder if we should add the potatoes soon. We'll put him over here.
Hey!
We're spying on the boys. How far away do you reckon they are?
130 metres.
We're in trouble. Oh. They're back from their journey. Catch any fish, Jordan? None. Any fish?
A single one.
What about you, Nick?
Yeah, 2.
Nick's the only one here catching fish. Since there wasn't much luck with the fishing on the kayaks, the boys set the rods up close to shore, and while the stew was still going, we all thought we'd try and catch some fish from the bank, which we were actually successful at.
He's swimming around.
Walk over over here a little bit.
Oh, you've beached in the water.
Oh, Kenny.
Catfish. Oh, you just got your...
Oh, catfish. Yeah, bring him over here.
I can't believe he just walked through the water.
Yeah, oh, they got spikes.
Take a picture of me. Oh, he's making some noise.
Yeah, they grunt.
And it was time to set the little buddy free.
Look at him, he's going good.
Now, I thought that was pretty cool. I've never caught a fish before, but Nick was determined to show us all up with his catch of the day.
Oh, it's fucking huge.
Oh, it's a fucking lungfish!
No, I'm not walking through the water.
Fucking big lungfish.
Holy shit, that thing's huge!
Holy!
Next to the creek here, over the rock.
No, you want to get him on the bank. Way, dude, that's fucking sick.
Kenny's mate. That is huge. Ew, that is actually proper slimy.
Fish like that before.
Ripping it out.
Yeah, it's a big lungfish.
Are they usually this big?
Hey?
They're usually this big? Oh, that's a funny looking thing.
You don't catch
Get
him
him up,
very
Nick. Holy, that is so cool.
What's he going? He straightens his tail out.
12 inches.
Oh, he's getting away. Holy,
God,
that's
metre.
huge.
Just over a metre. Yeah, fuck.
Nick's the only one catching fish and he's bringing in this big dog.
No, stick
Why do you stick your finger in front?
After all the excitement of them catching a fish, we've come back over to check on the little rolls for dinner. Let's see. Oh no, they're still raw. We did not realise how long it takes to cook stuff on like these sort of cookers. First time users over here, so everything's a learning curve, but I think dinner will be absolutely fantastic. Check out the stew. Got to go away fishing, and then us girls have done all the hard work here. It actually smells really
As you should.
Yeah. You grabbing there, Bronson?
Gonna go with this one down.
What do we got? What are you having for grub?
Cheeky little bread roll and a bit of mad dog stew.
Bit of camp oven stew.
Have a go at that.
Get stuck in, buddy.
I think we need to give a hats off to the chef over here, Bella. Look how hard she's worked on this. It looks epic. If you've ever considered doing a stew for your dinner while camping, 100% recommend it. It was delicious. Right, we're going to go eat our dinner and we'll see everyone in the morning. It is the new day and the boys have already headed out to go fishing. It's only like 7 o'clock though, so we're having coffees and waiting for them to come back before we have breakfast. But it's quite cold as you can see. But yeah, we all went to bed pretty late last night, so we're pretty tired. But that's nothing a coffee can't cure, so we're gonna make a coffee and then go sit down by the fire. The people of YouTube that were having a coffee. Gave up waiting for the boys to come back because they're taking forever. So we're cooking some breakfast, and on today's menu, look at this. Hash browns, and then we got some mince, but obviously we're not cooking that yet. And the weather has gone quite average. So we're hoping that we don't get rained on while we're cooking breakfast. Stay tuned for the breakfast reveal once it's finished cooking. So it started hammering down. I'm halfway through my breakfast. And we're eating in the car right now because it's all well and good having no awning when you go wheeling. As you can see, look at this. Go wheeling, it's great having no awning because you can drive like super hard trucks and you don't have to worry about having extra weight at the top. But when you're just going regular camping, you really regret choosing to run not wanting because yeah, I have nowhere to sit this undercover. So the car it is. As you can see, the weather has cleared up a little bit, but not very well. But we can see the boys are coming back. Look, here they are. I'll see if they've actually caught any fish this time.
Jamie almost killed us once because he tried to adjust and like tip the whole fly. We were like half in the fucking water. We're like, oi!
They went 2 up in a single kayak.
I gave him the seat.
He's so wet. What do you reckon about the wet fish? Did you catch any fish, Bronson?
One single fish.
One single fish.
Yeah.
No good.
Almost got a second, but it dropped the lure right the kayak.
Oh. Now that the boys are back and that the weather is no longer raining, we saw a little 4-wheel track on the way in here. It's only like a little track, but we thought we'll go and drive it and see how hard it actually is before we pack up and head home. So that's exactly what we're gonna go do right now. I thought you'd stand at the top of the step thing, because I reckon that'll look alright for a video.
Yeah?
Yep, we're gonna drive that.
Well, mission accomplished. Time to go back to camp, pack up and go home.
Alright, we have got everything packed up back in the car and we are heading home. The weather's not been that great to us, so we are ending our trip short. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching and we'll see you in the next video.